Today is pizza night at our household, but unfortunately I cannot have this. Hi everyone, do you love pizza just like me, but you're on a keto diet and you need to reduce those carbs? I'm going to show you a quick recipe that you can do that will satisfy that pizza craving without having very many carbs at all. So first off, I am using my air fryer, and I just grab a handful of mozzarella and I just place it right smack in the middle. And you might be able to get two, but I'm just going to do one for now. And then you just sprinkle this with a little bit of like garlic powder and maybe a little bit of pepper and Italian seasoning, and watch the magic happen. So there I've added my seasonings. I'm going to put this in the air fryer for about 8 minutes on 390 and see how that does. It should do well. I just haven't done it in a while, so I don't remember, but I'll let you know if it changes. So I wish I had a bigger air fryer because I could do 2 at a time. I also think that I could do it in the oven, but I've only ever made it in the air fryer, and I like it because it comes out very nice and toasty. So for the sauce, I use this Rao's homemade marinara sauce. It is lower in sugar than some of the other ones out there. Half a cup has about 6 grams of carbs and 1 gram of fiber. So you could use like a 1/4 cup and reduce that quite a bit, so that's not too bad. So this one's the one that I use to satisfy that pizza craving. Now I will say that this is kind of pricey, but you know, it's worth it. If it's going to last you a while, just use it often enough that it won't go to waste, because if you keep it in the fridge for a month or so, it will grow mold. You could also add pepperoni or any other toppings that fall under keto, other meats, some vegetables in small quantities, and make a little delicious little mini pizza that you can enjoy without the carbs, without the guilt. So now that it's been for about 4 minutes, I am going to add the pepperoni so that toasts up too. It's looking good already. Honestly, this could be eaten at the moment, but I'm going to wait. Look at this. Tell me it does not look delicious. I mean, seriously, it looks so good. So all we do is we let it cool down so that it holds itself together, and then I'll show you how to eat it. And while that one cools, I have prepped another one, and that way I don't have to wait as long to eat my meal. So I seriously want to dig in already, honestly. It comes off easy, which means it's ready to go. If you can handle the heat, you just want to roll that sucker up like so. And, it is too hot. I have to wait. Oh my God, why do I have to wait? And then you just dip it. And honestly, when I eat it like this, I don't miss the crust, I don't miss the bread. And I love crust, I love bread. But you get so many of the pizza flavors in this that at least it makes up for the fact that you are not eating crust. So I would give this one a try, because a lot of the recipes out there for alternative crust and stuff that you can make are pretty good, but they're also adding carbs to your diet, and we don't always need that. So if you can do it without, if you're okay without that, you get the crunch from the cheese because you extra crisped it up. It's still delicious. Keep in mind that mozzarella has more carbs than others, so don't make too many of these, because even though it's delicious, you are going to get a lot more carbs than you realize if you make multiple. So remember, it has a lot of fat. It will satiate you. So yeah, 2 should be enough. So I hope this video helped you see that there was a simpler option, that you don't always have to go for the other options where you have to make a crust. If you need your crust, if you find an alternative that meets that need, that desire of that feeling of bread, great. But for me, this is satisfying enough, and it makes it easier, and it saves me on carbs. So if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Leave me your comment down below. Do you make pizza this way or any other way? Subscribe if you're not subscribed. See you next time.